Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is just gonna be a point of view drive in my 2018 Ford Focus ST. Let's get into it. I got this car about 2 months ago. Ever since I got it, I love it. It came with a couple upgrades already. Roush exhaust, CPE intercooler, CPE intake, Turbosmart, blow-off valve. Came with a Cobb accessport and already tuned, and more tunes on it. I just added the shift knob. Came with these blue lights on them, where the pedals are, and then there's a blue light on in front of the intercooler too. I installed the side mirror blinkers. Forget what they're called. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want any. And new headlight bulbs too. Oh, I forgot, it also came with spacers with the stock wheels. I'm guessing the old owner had aftermarket wheels, and I guess he didn't get wide enough. Once the cold season's done, I'm getting aftermarket wheels and new tires and everything, so I'm probably gonna take those spacers off. I don't really like spacers on cars. I had spacers on my last car, and then I took them off, and then my wheel bearing broke. And let me tell you, the price, pretty expensive just for one wheel bearing to get fixed. It's crazy. Also, I have a Crackle tune on it. Well, if you want to be particular, it's Stratified tune. If there's any other mods that you guys would want to see, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. It'd be really appreciated. There's a lot of things I want to do to this car. I don't have my own garage yet, so it stops a lot from me doing a lot of things to it. I definitely want to get a BNR turbo. Definitely a carbon fiber steering wheel. also first manual car too, ever. So when I first got it from the dealership, I didn't even know how to drive manual. I didn't know anything. I already knew the car was in perfect condition. Kind of knew the person that was selling the car, and he was best friends with the guy that had the car before me, and he helped him install some of the stuff that's on the car now, and he took care of it pretty good. So I didn't really need to test drive it. I checked if oil leaks, anything, all the little fun stuff. But when I first got it, I tried to pull it out the dealership and I stalled it twice, and then after that I think I stalled it one more time, and after the third time I haven't stalled it since. I've been pretty good. I'm still getting the hang of downshifting. I feel like that's a little bit harder, especially because the clutch it's heavier. I don't know if there's a clutch upgrade. I have no idea. I'm probably going to be upgrading it soon anyways. Racing somebody, that'd be a lot easier. Definitely gonna need better brakes. quick. Alright guys, I know it was a short video, but that's about it. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe. see you guys in the next video.